Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Trisha and I wanted to show this centerpiece that I recently made. Since spring is right around the corner, it is so quick and easy to do, and I thought I would share it with you in case you're looking for some ideas. For the base, I decided to use two different types of bowls. The first one is a metal wire bowl that I got from Goodwill, and the price tag said $2.99. The second bowl that I got was from Walmart, and it was a white porcelain bowl, and I can't remember how much it cost, but it was around $5 to $8. So what I did was first flip over the porcelain bowl, then take some of my E6000 industrial glue and add it to the base of my wire bowl. Next, I placed the wire bowl on top of the porcelain bowl. Afterwards, I just left it alone and let it dry for at least 24 hours. Okay, now that it's dry, I just flipped it back over, right side up, and hot glued Floral Foam on the inside of it. Next, I took 5 hydrangeas that I bought from Walmart and cut them down to about 6 inches long and then 2 to 8 inches long. After I cut them, I started adding the shorter flowers to the perimeter of the bowl. Next, I added the 2 longer flowers to the center. Afterwards, I did a little bit of fluffing and then added to my dining table. That was so easy. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure you check out all of my videos and hit that subscribe button. If you like what I did, hit the like button too and share it with everyone. If you're on Instagram or Facebook, please be sure to stop by and say hello. I'm at Designs by Trisha on Instagram and at I'm Trisha JA on Facebook.